Hey guys, Joe here, Harley-Davidson of Scottsdale. It is the holidays, so what better time than to get lit with LED lighting, of course. Going on this month, we have a great deal for you. And why not shop at the dealership that's got the largest inventory of LED lighting and the largest amount of displays available for you to look at. Come see us. If you want some lighting to make yourself seen, then now's the time to buy it. We've got headlights that are 10% off your purchase, and if you buy any other lighting at that time, you'll get another 15% off the rest of the lighting that you're buying. So that's a 10% off the headlights and then 15% off any additional. On top of that, if you get it installed with us at the time, you'll save 15% off labor and get a free 21-point inspection on your motorcycle. So we're just stacking up the deals for you. So come in, see us this month, and you'll be able to get that deal. We hope to see you soon.